In this video, I'll show you how to set permissions for time logs in team settings. Whether you're managing a team or tracking your own work, controlling who can access, edit, and view time logs is essential for smooth operations. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can quickly apply this to your own team settings. By the end of this, you'll have full control over how time logs are managed and secured. So, let's dive right in. First, open your team settings dashboard. You'll find this option in the admin area of the software we'll be using today. Once you're in the settings, locate the section labeled Permissions or Time Log Settings. This is where you'll configure who can view, edit, or manage time logs for the team. Now, you should see a list of roles and users on your team. Each role will have different levels of permission, and you can assign these based on the tasks or responsibilities of the person in that role. For instance, you might want to restrict the ability to modify time logs to just team leaders or managers. You'll see checkboxes next to different permission options. If you want someone to view time logs but not edit them, simply check the View Only option for that role. For those with admin privileges, you can grant full access to all time logs, allowing them to edit or delete records if needed. The software we'll be using today makes it really easy to adjust these settings. You can either customize permissions for individual users or use preset roles like admin, manager, or employee. Be sure to review these roles to ensure the right people have the appropriate access. One key feature that some software provides is the ability to set time log approval workflows. This means you can configure permissions so that certain users can submit time logs, but a manager or admin will need to approve them before they're finalized. This extra step ensures accuracy and control over the team's time tracking process. As you make changes to permissions, always make sure to hit Save or Apply Changes at the bottom of the settings page. This will lock in your settings, so they're active for the entire team. If you're ever unsure about any setting, most software includes a handy Preview button to see how the permissions will apply before making them permanent. Remember, setting permissions for time logs is crucial for ensuring that your time tracking is both accurate and secure. You don't want unauthorized people making changes or viewing sensitive data. Taking the time to set these permissions correctly now will save you a lot of headaches in the future. A quick tip: if you have multiple teams, you might need to repeat this process for each team in your organization. You can usually copy settings between teams to save time, but double check that each team has the right permissions based on their needs. Key takeaway: setting permissions for time logs in team settings helps maintain control, accuracy, and security in your team's time tracking process. Always review user roles and permissions carefully and make sure to apply any changes. Before I go, remember, if you want to follow along with the software we use today, you can grab an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, first, access your team settings, then assign appropriate roles and permissions. Always save your changes, and don't forget to review the settings for each team individually. Setting permissions is key to managing time logs efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching.